Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download the Messenger app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap on your Play Store app, and once you tap it on, you need to simply go to the search bar and type in Messenger. So once you type in Messenger there, you can find the Messenger app where you need to simply tap on the install button. Once you tap on the install button, your Messenger app will take some time to get completely downloaded. However, once it is completely downloaded, the Messenger app will now get installed in your device. So the installation process takes a bit of a time, and once it is done, you can simply tap on the open button to surf your Messenger and enjoy chatting with your Facebook friends. So this is how you download the Messenger app. We hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.